Yes, Pidgin English coach here. How you there? Hmm? How not there? Isn't that happen? How body? Alright, I'm here for another lesson and how to speak Pidgin. Today I want to talk about the word no vex. N-O-V-E-X. No vex. So what is no vex? No vex means don't be angry. So if you're talking to somebody and you mess up or you did something wrong and you're trying to apologize, you say, I beg, no vex, no vex, I beg, no vex, no vex. I beg, no vex means please don't be angry, alright? So, I beg, no vex, say, I never do video, eh? So I'm apologizing that I've not done video for a while, so I beg, no vex. I'm back and I'm back, you know what I'm saying? So no vex, right? Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to tell me what you want me to do, and don't forget to check the description for links. I have an audio course complete. You can learn Pidgin faster. If you want to have a one-on-one training, let me know. I can arrange that. No wahala, eh? Take care of yourself, eh? Make sure you chop, eh? Bye-bye.